Hello, amazing explorers! I'm so glad you're here because today we're about to set off on a journey like no other. Get ready to use your imagination, your curiosity, and your sense of wonder as we step into a world bursting with color and surprises. Are you ready for a colorful adventure? Grab your explorer hats and your brightest smiles because we're about to discover one of the most magical creatures in the jungle. Imagine tiptoeing through a sunny jungle where giant green leaves and bright flowers surround you and birds sing overhead. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and everywhere you look, there's something new to see. Maybe a butterfly fluttering by, or a monkey swinging from the trees. Suddenly, you spot something that looks just like a leaf until it blinks. Its skin shimmers with blue and yellow, sparkling in the sunlight. You lean in closer, amazed at how it almost disappears right before your eyes. You've found a chameleon, nature's color-changing artist. These clever creatures are like living paintbrushes, blending into their surroundings with a flick of their magical skin. Chameleons are living rainbows, hiding in plain sight. Their skin can shift through so many colors, it's like watching a real-life magic trick. But why do they change color? Is it just for hide and seek? Or is there more to the story? Could it be a secret code or maybe a way to show how they feel? Their colors are a secret language, a way to talk, show feelings, and even warn others. Sometimes a chameleon might turn bright to say, "I'm here," or dark to say, "Stay away." It's like they're having a conversation without making a sound. Today, we'll become chameleon experts and uncover the science behind their magical skin. We'll look closely at how their colors change and what those changes really mean. Is a red chameleon angry, or is it just trying to show off to its friends? Maybe it's feeling brave, or maybe it's sending a warning. Is a green one happy? We'll find out. It's not magic, it's science. And the more we learn, the more amazing these creatures become. And science helps us unlock the mysteries of the world, from the tallest trees to the tiniest lizards. So, explorer hats on. Get your magnifying glasses ready, because we're about to see the jungle in a whole new way. Let's dive into the world of chameleons and discover the secrets behind their spectacular color shows. We'll learn how they use their colors to survive, make friends, and even find their way through the jungle. Let the colorful fun begin. Get ready for an adventure full of surprises, laughter, and the most amazing colors you've ever seen. So what exactly is a chameleon? It's a special kind of lizard, part of the reptile family with some amazing features. Chameleons have curly tails for gripping branches and mitten-shaped feet for climbing. Most live in warm places like Madagascar, where half the world's chameleons are found. But others live in Africa, Europe, and Asia. They move slowly, swaying like leaves in the wind, a clever trick to sneak up on insects and hide from predators. Chameleons come in all sizes, from the tiny nano chameleon to ones as big as a cat. But they all share those gripping feet, curly tails, and of course, their color-changing skin. No matter their size, chameleons are true jungle acrobats with a flair for disguise. Have you ever wondered how chameleons manage to change their colors so quickly and so beautifully? It almost seems like magic, but there's actually a fascinating science behind it. The secret to their color-changing superpower is hidden right in their skin. Chameleon skin isn't just ordinary skin, it's see-through, with several special layers of cells stacked underneath, each with its own unique job. The very top layer is filled with chromatophores. Imagine these as tiny balloons, each packed with red, yellow, or brown pigments, just waiting to be revealed. Chameleons can stretch or shrink these chromatophore cells, almost like squeezing or inflating balloons, to show or hide different colors on their skin. Just below the chromatophores is another amazing layer called iridophores. These cells are packed with tiny, shiny crystals that act like little mirrors. These crystals don't have any color themselves, but when light hits them, they reflect it back as dazzling blues and greens, making the chameleon skin shimmer and shine. By controlling both the pigment-filled chromatophores and the light-reflecting iridophores, chameleons can mix and match colors, creating an incredible range of patterns and shades, almost like a living, moving painting. It's as if they have a built-in high-tech paint set right inside their skin. No crayons, markers, or paintbrushes needed. All these layers work together, but they don't act alone. The chameleon's brain sends special signals to the skin, telling it exactly when and how to change color, whether it's for camouflage, communication, or just showing off. So next time you spot a chameleon changing color, remember, it's not just one thing happening, but a whole team of tiny, hard-working cells working together in perfect harmony, like a well-rehearsed orchestra. That's the real magic behind their rainbow skin, a secret world of science, teamwork, and a little bit of nature's wonder. Let's zoom in on those iridophores, the cells with tiny crystals. These crystals act like millions of microscopic mirrors, bouncing sunlight back in different colors. When the crystals are close together, they reflect blue light. Mix that with yellow pigment, and you get green. If the chameleon stretches its skin, the crystals spread out and reflect yellows, oranges, or reds. So, a chameleon's color can shift instantly, just by changing the spacing of these crystal mirrors. It's the same science that makes rainbows and soap bubbles shimmer, light bending and reflecting to create color. When you see a chameleon's bright colors, you're watching it control light itself. How cool is that? Chameleons don't just change color to hide, they use their skin to show feelings. A calm chameleon might be green or brown, blending in and feeling safe. If another chameleon comes too close, it might flash bright colors, yellow, orange, or red, to say, "Back off!" Males show off their brightest colors to impress females, while temperature can also change their shade, darker to warm up, lighter to cool down. Their skin is a mood ring, a warning sign, and a thermostat, all in one. Camouflage is another chameleon superpower. They can match the color of a branch or leaf, becoming nearly invisible to predators like snakes and hawks. But camouflage also helps them hunt. By blending in, they can sneak up on insects without being seen. Sometimes, chameleons want to stand out, flashing bright colors to send messages or show off. Other times, they want to disappear, blending in to stay safe or catch food. Their color-changing skin is like a superhero costume, sometimes bold, sometimes invisible. Switching between "look at me" and "you can't see me" makes chameleons true masters of disguise. It's a survival trick that's helped them thrive in the wild. No wonder they're one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Chameleons have more than just color-changing skin. They have superpowers. These fascinating reptiles are like the superheroes of the animal kingdom, equipped with a whole arsenal of amazing abilities that help them survive in the wild. For starters, their eyes are truly extraordinary. Each eye can move independently, spinning around in different directions at the same time. This gives chameleons a full 360-degree view of their surroundings, so they can spot danger or dinner from almost anywhere, without even moving their heads. When a chameleon spots a tasty bug, both eyes quickly focus forward, locking onto the target with laser-like precision. Then, zap! They're ready to strike. Their super long, sticky tongue shoots out faster than the blink of an eye, snatching up insects in a split second. In fact, their tongue can be longer than their own body and can catch prey from a surprising distance. Chameleons also have mitten-like feet, with toes grouped together to grip branches tightly. This special design helps them climb and hold onto even the thinnest twigs high up in the trees. And don't forget their curly, prehensile tails. These tails act like extra hands, wrapping around branches for balance and support, making sure the chameleon never falls. Chameleons are patient hunters, able to stay perfectly still for ages, blending in with their surroundings so well that they're almost invisible to both predators and prey. They wait for the perfect moment to strike, showing incredible patience and focus. Their slow, rocking walk and ability to freeze in place make them experts at sneaking up on prey and avoiding danger. Every movement is careful and calculated, helping them stay safe and successful hunters. All these features, amazing eyes, lightning-fast tongue, gripping feet, and steady patience, combine to make chameleons true jungle superheroes, perfectly adapted to their environment. Of course, their color-changing skin is what makes them famous, but there's so much more to these creatures than meets the eye. Their other powers, like their vision, tongue, and climbing skills, are just as incredible and important for their survival. Chameleons are packed with surprises from head to tail, making them some of the most unique and fascinating animals on the planet. Chameleons' color changing isn't magic, it's science. Their layered skin, pigment cells, and crystal mirrors are all part of nature's clever design. Every color flash is a message, a warning, or a way to stay comfortable. Science helps us understand these wonders and see chameleons as complex, fascinating creatures. The world is full of amazing animals with their own secrets, just waiting for curious explorers like you to discover them. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and remember, real-life science is the most magical adventure of all. Stay curious and see you next time, explorers!